Lid's going to come off, all the front comes off and the tub comes out the front. I'll show you that. That's interesting, isn't it? Back's off, and you just want to get nut, rotor and stator off. Disconnect the heater. We ordered a new heater anyway, and wire into the stator. I'll just wipe that off now quick. When you get your big disc off. Cut the plugs there. That's it for the back. That's the back. Got this weight. To be fair, I'll probably take the drum out with that weight on it, just because it looks annoying to get off. You got these strip the front off next. So draw out, screw, screw, take that off. For me. No.
I want to see a guitar solo now, please.
Yep.
Oh, is that on video?
Yeah. Weights off. So, right, cut those off. New drum comes with a new heater, new seal. Well, we've ordered it, so new seal come with it, and I'm trying to get all the pipes off. Shock absorbing. These are. I'll show you. You've got to depress a little pin before you can pull them out. Just pull that out. So you got the little pin there. You just depress that in, and when you push it in, it locks, so it can't pull back out. On the LG, there's two little fillet screws which are annoying. One's holding this on, which goes there, up in there, and one holding the wiring up there. Let's see. Get those two screws out. So after taking the shockers off, it's just hanging on the springs. You can pull them off. All the bolts are out of around the sides. That holds the two tubs together. And then just splits like that. As the saying goes, out with the old, in with the new. Just put the heater on. Very nice. Nice and tight. Well, I'm just going to go and unwrap the drum. That's what I was telling you about Matty. Sometimes one of these can crack. So you put one to the bottom, push with all your might, and you'll feel one is springy. That's okay. It's fine. So make sure that seal is greased. run your finger around it, get some grease, and that runs here. Just give that a quick wet, nothing crazy, just a quick wet, just that one. Beauty. There you go. Wow, let's put the old one back in, but that was worth it anyway. That's really stiff, not like a tumble dryer one. So, do you know what? I was going to take that seal off, put in that one. I'll just go around the bottom half, which is below the water level. Beauty. That's like all the way around. Nice. Throw that away. Just put the new front on, because that was the bit that got damaged. Make sure the heater goes through there. It's easy to see from where I am. Seat it all down, make sure it's all seated down. Then you just want to tighten it like you would a head gasket. So I'm going to do one over here where you can't see. One the opposite side. Then I'll do that one and that one. And then all these in the same sort of way. I'll do that. Right, so our half old, half new drum is back in. Stick all your pipes back on. It's really easy to rehang it. that's the front all done. Front concrete's tight. This one I didn't check. Solid, no problems there. It's just the back then. See if I can rest you here. What's that? Oh, look at that. Not bad. Let's not fall off of there now. Oh, I've got bonus bits. Gotta love them. Brilliant. And then there was just those little metal clips and things. Lid on, done. If you don't put water in it and make sure it ain't pissing all over the floor, then basically you're because so many fucking hoses and whatnot. You know, you just got to check you put it all on, yeah. Even if you've checked, you know, still put water in it. Beautiful. Don't worry, that was me. Lovely.